Hello friends, welcome to Tech Quiz. We have started with our new series of the lecture for HTML basic to the advanced level. In the last lecture we have discussed how to display image on our web page. And today we are going to discuss how to display table and how to properly format it. So here I have already created my boilerplate and into the body tag I use center tag because I want to make my table into the center. So here I open the center tag and close the center here. Into the center tag for creating table, we have tag that is table tag. So I open table tag here and I close this table tag. As we know, table is collection of n number of rows and columns. So for creating row, we have tag that is tr tag. So I open this tr tag and close this tr tag here. We can create n number of rows with the help of tr tag. So I open another tr tag here and close it here. One more tr. So I created 3 rows. And in the first row, we are going to create column heading. So for creating any heading in the table, we have tag that is th tag, which is stand for table heading. So I open this th tag and I close this th tag. We are going to create student information table. So my first column will be enrollment number. Next column in the same row. So I open th here and I close th, that is column name will be name. Another th for making one more column in the same row, that is contact. I save this table, so I save this page here and I open it into the browser. So here you can see 3 column is created, but it is not having border, so it is not look separated. So here I want to create border. So for making border for this whole table, we have to use border attribute in the table tag. So I give border here and it will have value that is border width. So I want to give width that is 2 pixel. So I save this and reload it into the browser. So here you can see border is properly created. Now next we want to create, that is here in the first row I want to give one heading that is student information before this column heading. So for that I create one more tr here and I close this tr here, and into the tr tag I want to create one heading. So for that I use one th tag and heading is student information. I save this and reload it into the browser. So here you can see student information is there, but it is in the first column. I want to make this heading in the center and I want to merge these 3 column because it is common heading. So for merging these 3 column, we have one attribute that is call span. So we want to merge this in this th. So we use call span here and I give value for this, that is 3. We want to merge 3 column. If you want to merge 2 column, then you can give 2 value here. I save this and reload it here. So you can see it is in center and merge all the 3 columns. Now next I just give data for this column. So for giving data, for creating data, we have one tag that is td tag. I open this TD tag and I close this TD tag. We have 3 columns. So according to this, we will have 3 column data. So I make 3 TD here, and corresponding to the column name, I give data here. I just give random contact number and I copy this data for the next row. I just modify the data. I save this and reload it into the browser. So here you can see this is our table data, which is in normal font format, and our table heading, that is into the th tag, it is in bold format. This is the difference between th and td. Now we have seen that is call span here. Similar to this, we have one more, that is row span for merging row. Call span is used for merging column and row span is used to merge rows. So for illustrate that, I create one more tr here in the last. I close this tr, and similar to this, we will have 3 data, but I don't want to give 3 data here. So I make empty. This td is not needed, but I make you properly understand these things. So I just keep it empty here, and I want to give this contact number. So it will look like this 102 person have 2 contact number. I want to make this type of formatting here. So I just make it empty, that is row ID and name. I save this and open it into the browser so you can properly see it. Now we want to merge these two row, 102 and empty, Pawan and empty. I want to merge. So for that, we have to give row span. So we want to merge this with this row 102. So we have to give row span in this td. So here I just give row span, and we want to merge 2 rows. So for that we give value, that is 2. Similar to that, we want to merge name. So here I again give row span, and I want to merge 2 rows. So for that I give value, that is 2. Now I save it and reload it into the browser. So you can see this is merged properly. Now we want to format these things. Here 2 TD is extra. This is the empty TD. So this is created by this TD, this empty TD. So we have to remove this. And I save this and reload it. So here you can see the proper table. So that's it for today. You can use this table format for your web page. If you have any query, any doubt, you can comment us. Please do like and share this video. Thank you so much for the joining.